Hello, and today we're just going to go through the quick process of adding employees to your BarSight account. What you do is head to the employee list and click on the new employee button. A new window will pop up here. Let's type in their first and last name. Email is not required, but if you want them to be able to log in and take advantage of all the fun things BarSight has to offer, enter in their email. If you're not quite ready for them to get the invite, you can uncheck that box and the employee will be added to your account and you can send the invite at a later date. You can choose the role here, and let's go and choose line cook. You can enter in an hourly wage, $19, or you can click salary pay and enter in the salary that you would like to do. For this employee, let's do hourly. Employment type, the full-time, part-time, or casual. By default, employees are all full-time. The part-time and casuals are under restricted hours, and you can set that all up in your account settings. And we'll go over that in another video. Access group, this is just the access that this employee will have to the system. By default, employee is the selected one. You can have them set up here as brewery staff or shift leader, general manager if you're hiring a general manager. And again, you can define these all in the settings of your account as well. The punch ID you can leave blank, but that's if you want to define a 4-digit punch code for this employee to use on our standalone punch in and punch out app. With everything filled out here, click create employee, and you'll be able to see the employee is now in your account and ready to be scheduled.